walking through 4 examples for multiplying fractions. Multiplying fractions is pretty straightforward. You multiply numerators and denominators together. In the end, you simplify if needed. Here are the 4 examples. Take a second to pause the video and work them out on your own. When you're done, check your answers with mine. Example 1, 2/3 times 4. First thing we want to do is convert 4 into a fractional form. So we write 4 over 1. We multiply straight across. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. 8/3 is our answer. If you want to convert it to a mixed number, you divide 3 into 8, which goes 2 times, with a remainder of 2. 2 and 2/3 is the mixed number. Example 2, 3/5 times 6. Again, we got to write 6 into fractional form first, so 3 over 5 times 6 over 1. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 1 is 5. 18/5 is the answer, and again, if you want to convert it to a mixed number, it would be 3 3/5. Example 3, 7/11 times 1/3. No need to change anything for this one. Let's just multiply straight across. 7 times 1 is 7. 11 times 3 is 33. 7 over 33 is the final answer. Example 4, 5/8 times 3/5. We multiply 5 times 3 and we get 15. We multiply 8 times 5 and we get 40. I know that 5 can go into both 15 and 40, so we reduce the fraction down to 3 over 8. Did you notice something here though? Look at the way that problem is written. When it comes to multiplying fractions, if you have a numerator in one fraction that is the same as the denominator in the second fraction, you can cancel them out and get the same answer. I'll do a separate video on how to multiply fractions easier when you cancel out factors with some more examples. Let me know how you did in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You can also follow me on TikTok at ImprovedMath1 or check out my website at improvedmath.com for more practice problems and answers. Thanks so much for watching.